Human trafficking is an international problem, and it exists right here in South Dakota as well.
Law enforcement, the public, and States Truckers Association is being asked to see something, say something. Alan Scott taking a look at what is and what is being done.
Human trafficking, a major problem. You, law enforcement, and truckers associations, including the South Dakota Truckers Association, being enlisted to help stop it. We'll find out more in a conversation with Brown County Sheriff and the spokesperson for the South Dakota Truckers Association. Human trafficking is a crime on the rise. On a personal level, Brown County Sheriff Dave Lunsman talks about what to look for.
Several things you can keep an eye out for, and it's really no different than most people talk about. Is your neighbor, your family, your friends, are the kids out when they shouldn't be out? Are they hanging around the wrong friends? If there's something that seems weird, at least ask questions.
In South Dakota in particular, the biggest problem is with Native women and children, but it's not restricted to that alone.
I do know that it affects every economic status. It affects everybody at this time.
With that in mind, many entities are stepping in to help solve the human trafficking problem. Christine Erickson, the state's Trucking Association president, says
South Dakota Trucking Association has worked with Truckers Against Trafficking, a national association, to really bring education to our truckers that are here in South Dakota and also truckers traveling through the state. We really want them to be mindful. If you see something, say something.
Both the sheriff and Christine admit the signs of human trafficking are hard to spot, but look for these: replying with rehearsed responses, appearing malnourished, physical injuries, avoiding eye contact or social interaction, poor living conditions. Christine went on to say the reason truckers are being enlisted in this fight is because
we know that they are on the front lines of seeing some of these really unfortunate instances take place, oftentimes at truck stops and gas stations.
Truckers associations across the nation, law enforcement, and you are all being enlisted to help in stopping human trafficking. In Aberdeen, Alan Scott, Dakota News Now.